Varun Gandhi has been acquitted in the second of two hate speech cases by a Pilibhit court. Remember, just a few days ago, Varun Gandhi had been acquitted in the first, and now Feroz Varun has been acquitted in the second case as well. There were two cases that were filed against him for words that he used and phrases that he used in his campaign speech in Pilibhit before the general election in 2009. A few days ago, Feroz Varun Gandhi was acquitted in the first case. Now Feroz has been acquitted in the second case as well. Let's get a word in from Headlines Today's Amir Haq for more on this. Amir, take us through what the court has said. He's been acquitted now.
Well, Shiv, the details coming in from Pilibhit right now say that he's been acquitted for lack of evidence. This is very similar to what happened in the first case, which was registered in the Kotwali police station in Pilibhit. The CJM court had earlier last week given out the order saying that Varun Gandhi has been exonerated, and a similar order has been passed in this case as well. Well, very pertinent. One of the applications that was filed by one of the advocates in the Pilibhit court itself last week, where he had protested and in fact called for review of this order by the lower court, citing that the media persons who covered the event where Varun Gandhi supposedly read out that hate speech has not been considered. The media people have not been questioned. His voice sample has not been taken as yet.
Yes.
And also the witnesses, most of the witnesses, numbering around 36, had turned hostile. But perhaps the court thought it fit to exonerate him even after that application. It was finally turned down before the court passed the final order.
Are there any cases pending against him as far as hate speech are concerned, or this was the last one, Amir?
Well, Shiv, there were only two cases, and
Yes.
After the disposal of this case, there's only one case which relates to the violence that happened on March 28th in 2009 after Varun Gandhi was arrested and taken to the Pilibhit jail. This case is going on in the Sessions Court, and charges have already been framed in this case in December 2012. We'll further get to know what happens in this case in due course.
Have we heard from the complainant yet, Amir? I remember during the first acquittal, he had told us that he was going to appeal and take things to a higher court. Are we hearing anything from him now?
We haven't got any reaction from him as yet. You're right. The last time around, he protested, in fact, the decision given by the court,
Yes.
saying that all these three factors that I just spoke about have not been taken under consideration, but we are yet to get a reaction from him in this case.
Okay, Amir, thanks. We'll leave it there for the moment. Thanks for getting us that update on the Pilibhit court, which has acquitted Feroz Varun Gandhi in the second hate speech case. There were two that were filed against him for things he allegedly said during his campaign speech in Pilibhit during 2009 general election campaign.